डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस के ट्रांसलेशन के लिए मेरा इंग्लिश क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को दबा लें जिससे कि सारे वीडियोस आपको मिलते रहें। वह दौड़ते दौड़ते आया। He came running. He came running. वह तब से यहीं है। He has been here since. He has been here since. मैंने ठान लिया है। I have made up my mind. I have made up my mind. एक बात ध्यान रखना। Keep in mind one thing. Keep in mind one thing. तो मैं क्या करूं? Then what should I do? Then what should I do? कहीं और जाओ। Go somewhere else. Go somewhere else. मैं चाय नहीं पीता। I don't take tea. I don't take tea. उससे दूर रहो। Stay away from her. Stay away from her. मैं तुम्हारी खटिया खड़ी कर दूंगा। I will set you right. I will set you right. जैसे ही तुम आए वह चली गई। The moment you came, she went. The moment you came, she went. अब पछताने से कोई फायदा नहीं है। It's no use repenting now. It's no use repenting now. मैं उससे तंग आ गया हूँ। I am fed up with him. I am fed up with him. वह हमेशा यही करता है। This is what he always does. This is what he always does. मुझसे सुबह सुबह उठा नहीं जाता। I am unable to get up early in the morning. I am unable to get up early in the morning. तुम मुझे बचा सकते थे। You could have saved me. You could have saved me. मैंने तुम्हारी बहुत सुन ली। I am done listening to you. I am done listening to you. कम से कम मेरी पूरी बात तो सुन लो। At least hear me out. At least hear me out. मैं अपने वचन से बंधा हूँ। I am bound by my word. I am bound by my word. तुम्हारा उसे डांटना सही नहीं था। Your scolding him was not fair. Your scolding him was not fair. यही तो मैं जानना चाहता था। This is what I wanted to know. This is what I wanted to know. वह पक्का पढ़ रहा होगा। He must be studying. He must be studying. कोई लड़का आया है तुमसे मिलने। A boy has come to meet you. A boy has come to meet you. अब पानी सर से ऊपर हो गया है। It crossed the limit now. It crossed the limit now. कहीं नहीं बस टहल रहा हूँ। Nowhere, just walking. Nowhere, just walking. जितनी फिक्र तुम्हें है उतनी मुझे भी है। I am concerned as much as you concerned. I am concerned as much as you concerned. अगर तुम न होते तो आज मैं जिंदा न होता। If you were not there, I wouldn't be alive today. If you were not there, I wouldn't be alive today. मैं कल आपको बताना भूल गया था. I had forgotten to tell you yesterday. I had forgotten to tell you yesterday. पर बाद में मुझे मत बोलना कुछ. But don't say anything to me later. But don't say anything to me later. मुझे गर्मी का मौसम पसंद नहीं है. I don't like summer. I don't like summer. किसी और से पूछ लो. Ask someone else. Ask someone else. तुम वहाँ क्यों गए थे? Why did you go there? Why did you go there? वह मेरे पड़ोस में रहता है. He lives next to me. He lives next to me. तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? मैं आपको बाद में कॉल करूँगा. I will call you later. I will call you later. बारिश शुरू हो रही है. It's starting to rain. It's starting to rain. मैं इसके लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. I am sorry for this. I am sorry for this. आप इंतज़ार कर रहे हो. You are waiting. You are waiting. यह कुआं बहुत गहरा है. This well is very deep. This well is very deep. तुम आज बाहर नहीं जा सकते. You can't go out today. You can't go out today. मैं इस किताब का मालिक हूँ. I am owner of this book. I am owner of this book. वह सुंदर नहीं लग रहा है. He doesn't look beautiful. He doesn't look beautiful. यह कर दिखाने का समय है. It's time to do it. It's time to do it. मैं तुम्हें लगभग भूल ही गया था. I almost forget you. I almost forget you. वह मार खा रहा था. He was being beaten. He was being beaten. मैं पूरे दिन काम करने के बाद थक गया हूँ. I am tired after working all day. I am tired after working all day. आप बदले में मुझे क्या दोगे? What would you give me in return? What would you give me in return? वह हमारा इकलौता बेटा है. He is our only child. He is our only child. अब मैं वहाँ नहीं रहता हूँ. I no longer live there. I no longer live there. तुम मुझे दिवाली में क्या दोगे? What will you gift me on Diwali? What will you gift me on Diwali? वह मुझसे मिलने आया था. He came to meet me. He came to meet me. जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा. We will see whatever happens. We will see whatever happens. मेरा जन्म स्थल रांची है. My native town is Ranchi. My native town is Ranchi. हिलो मत, सीधे खड़े रहो. Don't move, keep standing straight. Don't move, keep standing straight. मैंने तो बस यूं ही पूछ लिया. I just asked casually. I just ask casually. मुझसे जुबान मत लड़ाओ. Don't talk back to me. Don't talk back to me. वैसे भी मैं ऐसी पार्टियों में नहीं जाती हूँ. I don't go to such parties anyway. I don't go to such parties anyway. अब तो महंगाई सर छू रही है. Now inflation is touching the hat. Now inflation is touching the hat. कुछ सस्ता सामान खरीद लो. Buy some cheap stuff. Buy some cheap stuff. सब्जियों के दाम बढ़ गए हैं. Vegetable prices have increased. Vegetable prices have increased. क्या लोन लेना सही है? Is it right to take loan? Is it right to take loan? उसके पास पहले से ही बहुत कर्ज है. He already has a lot of debt. He already has a lot of debt. बैंक से रुपए निकाल लो. Withdraw money from bank. Withdraw money from bank. बैंक में पैसे जमा कर दो. Deposit money in the bank. Deposit money in the bank. मेरा मूड खराब मत करो. Don't spoil my mood. Don't spoil my mood. मेरे पास बैठने का समय नहीं है. I don't have time to sit. I don't have time to sit. बताओ मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. Tell me what should I do. Tell me what should I